Alright guys, I'm going to show you real quick what the difference is between an iPhone 7 Plus screen and an iPhone 8 Plus screen. There's not a lot. Here's an iPhone 7 Plus screen, and I'll show you an iPhone 8 Plus screen. So on the bottom, pretty much identical. Side, pretty much identical. This side, same thing, identical. And even the connectors, basically the same as well. I haven't tried to connect them down. The only real difference is up here at the top, because you can see even on the camera they're basically identical. You can see a little difference right here. The main difference on an iPhone 8 Plus screen is these little metal brackets right here. On an 8 Plus you have them, on a 7 Plus you don't, and vice versa. You cannot put a 7 Plus screen on an 8 Plus phone. It just doesn't work. But that's the difference. It's mainly just these three right here. The only other difference I can tell is kind of right here by the top of the camera. Other than that, I mean, it's identical. The screens are identical, same size. A little speaker in the front, everything. So that's the only difference, is these up here. Thanks.